Alright, this is going to be a short video. I mean, it's not really going over any gameplay. I just want to show some people who are just starting out Titania how to begin your service. Alright, so as you can see, I am uniformless at the moment. Well, I do have their uniform. I bought it with Robux, but I will change that by going over here. This guy, speak to him, Brock, he's a very nice guy. Click the uniform section, and you can equip accessories like glasses if you wanted, hair, see, brown, and you would equip your division or the see if you didn't if you didn't have the uniform, you would click this. But you equip your divisional webbing, combat webbing usually if you're going to the front lines. However, if you're like going to the town or whatever, you would use the formal belt. But mostly, you would use your divisional webbing, which my divisional webbing is the LG strap. And well, if you have a cuff title, you would equip your cuff title. And while uniform requirements might differ from division to division, from division to division, yeah, they're basically generally all the same. I should have got to get on authority. Alright, well, I'm going to end the video here. I'll show you how to get guns in the next video. The Random Gamer out.